Hi friends. I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. We can apply gold look to any object. First we need to convert silver look. There are 2 ways to convert into silver, and 3 ways to apply gold look on object. Let's get started without any delay. Select background layer. Go to filter, then click on subject. It will create selection around subject. Create mask on this layer. Right click on mask and choose apply layer mask. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus U to desaturate subject. Create a solid color layer. You can choose any color of your choice. I am going to choose light blue color. Move solid color layer below subject layer. First way to create silver look. Active subject layer. Press Ctrl plus J and make duplicate layer. Change blend mode from normal to difference. Press Ctrl plus I to invert. Select both layers. Press Ctrl plus E to merge. Again press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Change blend mode from normal to difference. Press Ctrl plus I to invert. Select both layers. Press Ctrl plus E to merge. There is a silver look on subject. This is first way to apply silver look on subject. Let's see second way to apply silver look. Active layer of subject. Create curves adjustment layer. Make zigzag curves as I am giving. Try to give best zigzag in curves. If will create silver look on subject. You can see there is silver look on subject. Click on this icon to clip curves layer. Now, there are 3 ways to apply gold effect. First, create levels adjustment layer. Click on this icon to clip levels layer. In RGB select red. Make value 100 for highlights. Then select green in RGB. Make value 200 for highlights. Select blue in RGB. Make value 100 for shadows. There is gold look on subject. This is first way to apply gold look on subject. Let me delete this levels adjustment layer for second way. Create curves adjustment layer. Click on this icon to clip this layer. Select red in RGB. Make value 100 for input. Select green in RGB. Make value 200 for input. Finally select blue in RGB. Make value 100 for output. And here is gold effect on subject. Now we will see third way for gold look. I am going to delete curves layer. Create color lookup layer. Click on this icon to clip layer. Open 3D LUT file menu. Choose edgy amber point 3DL. You will see gold effect on subject. Select an active layer of subject. Right-click and choose blending options. Check drop shadow. Click on shadow and move it according to your choice. You can adjust its opacity by your choice. Finally click OK. So, in these ways you can apply gold effect on subject. First you need to apply silver look on subject. I hope you like all ways for gold effect, 2 ways for silver effect, and 3 ways for gold effect. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.